It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. It is time for me to get my nails together. They look a mess, they have grown out. So if you missed this video, definitely check it out. Today I am super excited. I am doing another French look, but I finally found these tips that I have been in love with and I could not find them anywhere. So I got a nail kit from Kiss many years ago and it came with these tips, and it already has the white on it, and you just put it on there. That part, blends in with the natural nail well, and you just, do an overlay or whatever, and boom. I've been looking for these for a long time. In that kit, it came with these, which I don't really like, and these, which I loved. So on AliExpress, it was AliExpress or Amazon. I will have to put the link in the description bar. But I found them, y'all. I found them. So it comes with all of these on a stick. Love them. So I'm going to be using these today. I went ahead and broke some of them off and put them in this organizer that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I have the numbers on it, and I'm just going to, use them out of here. But this is how they come. So I'm super excited. What I'm about to do now is drill some of this off, and depending on how low I get it, I might soak the rest of it off or just go ahead with the application. So you guys will see that in the video, and I'll kind of talk you guys through what I decide to do. So here I am drilling everything off as much as I can, and I work with my drill in forward and in reverse. So I like to, it's kind of easier for me to just file away from myself when I just lay my hand down and file away from myself. So that's what you see me doing here. And this helps me get a lot of the bulk of the product off. I am using a sanding band, and it's a coarser grit, so that it can really get that gel and everything off of there. And I'm going to get it as low as I can, and then I'm going to put on some foils to soak off the rest of it. So after I take the foils off, I'm just going to scrape off as much as I can, push back my cuticles, cut my nails down, and I actually let my nails grow out pretty long, but for this look I cut them down. And I'm going in with this Tammy Taylor peel and stick file to kind of remove a little bit more gel. Then I went back in with the drill. So it really depends on how much product is left on your nails. Of course, you can do everything with the hand file, or you can do everything with the drill. It's really a preference and what is the most comfortable for you. As I start getting closer to my natural nail, I like to just go in with a hand file so that I can, remove any cuticle and all that kind of stuff. So I got that nail dry spray from Amazon, and it works wonders. My nail glue is just not sticking for some reason. So when I spray that dry spray on it, it dries with the quickness. So I got 1 bottle, but they do sell them where you can get like 4 bottles or 3 bottles. So the next time I order, I might just get a couple of them because it really comes in handy. Now these tips have like a little piece on the end of it, and I actually like that because it provides a good anchor so that you can place it better, in my opinion. And of course you just pop them off when you are done. And what I did was I would put some of the glue on and spray it and then put the nail on, and that started working a little bit better. So after I have all of the tips on, I went in with the drill to go over that smile line a little bit, just to kind of blend that tip in a little bit. What I like about these is even if you don't do that, they kind of blend well. So that's why I have been looking for these. But after I pop those little tabs off, I just file my free edges to make sure that they are nice and neat. These are some of the products that I'm going to be putting on my natural nails: some dehydrator, some Band-Aid, and some primer, all to help the acrylic last longer. For the acrylic, I'm using Mia Secret Clear Acrylic, and I'm using the Mia Secret Monomer. So when applying your acrylic, you can do this so many ways. So on each finger, I kind of did something a little different. On the pinky, I went in with a bead kind of in the middle of the nail, and then I went in with the cuticle bead. You can also start at the tip of the nail and blend it up, and then do a bead at the cuticle area and then blend that down. So many different ways. I just say do it the way that makes you feel comfortable, the way that you can get the acrylic on there where it looks nicely. Do it like that, you know. You can work on, you know, the 1 ball method, the 2, 3, 4, anything like that that you like. I personally just do what I need to do to get it on there, and if anything is out of place or however, that's where the file and the drill and all that come in. So I just get it on there, you know, make sure to fill in any gaps or anything that I see with however many beads it takes, you know, trying to build up the apex, trying to make sure that the nails are nice and strong. And then from there, I just file everything into shape. Now you can definitely use like a cover pink or a powder that is a little bit see-through so that you can see that tip through there. That's one of the things that I love about these tips, because it's already at a great length where you can just do a nice, you know, overlay and keep it moving. The next time I use these tips, I think I want to go in with some acrylic that is like a light pink shade. But sometimes when you use white tips, you can see like a harsh line, or you can see like where you glued the tip and all of that. And that's why I love these, because you don't have that problem. Because I didn't want to just leave these plain, I am going to add some gel polish on top. And the swatch video that shows this color is one of the MEFA videos. That video is going to be out next week. But the color from that set is number 174, and it is clear with gold glitter pieces inside of it. And it reminded me of the clear polish with the glitter that I used to wear all the time. So I said that that will look perfect on top of this French set. Here I'm filing everything with my Tammy Taylor peel and stick nail file. I love this file. V nailed it. She raves about this file, and I just had to get one. And I went around that cuticle area with my drill. And here I'm going to apply 2 coats of that 174 by MEFA, and then 1 coat of their top coat. And I have been trying to get in the hang of using my drill more, especially on myself. It's easier to use it on someone else. So if I can use it on myself, I feel like I would just be a beast at it. So that's why you will start seeing, my drill more in the videos, especially on my practice hand. In my next video, I am using those practice hands that I just got from the Nail Lover store on AliExpress, and I must say now I can file and everything on that hand. So I am really happy with the new hands that I just got. To clean up, I did go in with some alcohol just to make sure I'm not curing any gel on my skin. Then I went in with some cuticle oil. Oh, and another thing that I got from Amazon that I forgot to show you guys, these black napkins that I have on the table, they are dental napkins, so they have the plastic on the back of them, and I am absolutely in love with them for my nail desk. So that's definitely something for you to check out on Amazon if you haven't already been hooked on it. So these are the polishes that I use. Like I said, you guys are going to see those in an upcoming video. But I love my nails, y'all. They are just so cute and just so perfect. I feel like I can keep my nails like this all the time and just do like all of the crazy stuff on my practice hands. So that's what I might do. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my absolute favorite tips for French tip nails. With these tips, it's like you just cannot go wrong if you want like the perfect smile line. So make sure that you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share this video with all of your friends, okay? So we can get this channel to 1 million subscribers and beyond, okay? Always remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. Guess what, y'all? It's a wrap. I will see you guys in the next video.
It's a wrap. It's a wrap, hey, it's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.